Okay, so I'm a teacher and I've taught a lot of courses, so I have to teach like step by step. And as I was uploading that first video, I thought, what if you could just like watch over my shoulder as I actually do behind the scenes of like SEO, search engine optimization? I think from what I've seen, organic, relatable traffic comes, but I'm so hardwired with SEO knowledge that it goes against the grain not to do the keyword research. So I'm going to try it and just, experiment with it and see if it makes a difference. With that being said, so I downloaded my video, right here when you're in Loom, if you use Loom, right here, download that video. And then I uploaded it by just, dragging and dropping it from my computer. And it loads automatically. And then it gives you a place to put your title. Now I have been using this TubeBuddy that I pay. It's not very much a month. It's really, I think it's like $5 a month. Super cool. And I'm doing this with this new series to see if the keywords really make a difference, which I would think they would, because people search for different topics. So not knowing exactly what my new niche topic is going to be by keywords, I'm sort of, going in the dark here and experimenting. But if I click on the little icon, FB for TubeBuddy Tools, I'm going to show you what it does. You put in your target keyword. Again, not sure what my target keyword is going to be, except I'm going to put how to monetize YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to start with that. Okay, target keyword. Include your target keyword in the title. Include 80% of your target keyword in the title. Include your target keyword in the first 60 characters of the title. Include your target keyword naturally in the title. So if I go up here to tags, look at that. Boom, it puts in the tags automatically for you. And I'm going to, let's see, populate, add to tag limit. Okay, look at that. And up here, it gives you a score of search engine optimization. Okay, that's awesome. And then 3, this little software will actually create a thumbnail for you, but I'm going to do a video about how I do a thumbnail in Canva. I'm going to try this. I've done it before, but I really like the Canva ones better. But let me see. Okay, solid color. Let's just go with it and see what it does. I like, my brand colors are like pink and aqua, so I'm going to go with that. So I'm going to do that. Pretty bright. I like it. And then select an object type above to add a layer, or click continue below to skip. So of course I want to put text on there. So I'm going to add that layer of text. And I'm going to put right here. Okay, oops. Okay, I guess I have to go in here. Inner text here, but it's sort of frozen. Might be my internet connection freezing up on me there. All right, I'm going to switch to image. Yeah, it's not doing anything. It's frozen. Again, it could be just my internet. All right, so I'm going to X out of that. I thought I was going to X out of that. And sometimes I'm using software over software makes it freeze, so it could be that. All right, I'm going to try this one more time. Let's see. Thumbnail, create thumbnail, still frame from video. Let's just try that. I'm probably not going to keep that. Okay. I'm going to put save and next and apply to my video. Yeah, TubeBuddy so far, I've been very happy with it. And I'm hoping that if I'm consistent with my posting, that my video views will, soar. Here's another thing you can do is add an end screen. And if you don't have any videos, you don't have to do this, but it actually will show like your last video or a video that is relevant to this video. So let's see, add, and it lets you choose, like right here. You can choose from a video, a playlist, a channel. So I'm going to just choose video, and see right here it'll say you can choose from most recent upload, best for viewer, or choose a specific video. I'm just going to do best for viewer and let YouTube decide. And then I like for it to show up at the end. So I'm going to pull this line over here, and then I'm going to save it. And then next you have to save the visibility. And it will do a copyright check at this point to make sure. And one thing that I wish somebody had told me is when I would do videos from Canva and with music and upload them to YouTube, I would get a warning because YouTube is really, really, really picky about what music you put in there. And they have their own music, and that's a subject for another video. But just be careful not to upload music from another site. Okay, so right here you have to choose private. Only you and people you choose can watch your video. Unlisted, it's not listed where people can search for it, but if you send someone a link, they can watch it. But the best one is public, and I like to set mine for an instant premiere because it says you and your viewers can watch it together, and they will send out to your subscribers, that you've uploaded a new video. So I'm going to do set as instant premiere. And then you can publish, but I'm going to go back because I want to show you to monetize a video, which means how to make money other than just YouTube views from YouTube, is you can do affiliate marketing. You can put links here, and you have to say you're an affiliate if it's not your product. These other ones are my own products right here that I'm listing, but this is how you can create multiple streams of income by putting either affiliate links or your own products in here. Again, if you don't have your own products, that's what I teach, and I would love for you to join us in our school. Or, I have little quick PDFs that are helpful. If you would check that out, that'd be great. If you could give me a like and subscribe, that would be wonderful, because I am getting really serious about YouTube. Really serious. So that would help me a whole lot. And I'd be happy to come to your channel and like and subscribe to you if it's similar content, so we can help each other out. Again, I'm going to do a video because I like to create my thumbnails in Canva. And the playlist, I don't think I showed you how to do that. You can actually begin a new playlist and put the title of your list of videos that you're going to do in a case study or on a topic. And so every time you make a new video, you're going to want to put them. It's like a library. Just think of it like a library. You want to put them in the library where someone can come to your channel and they can say, I don't want to learn about print on demand. I don't want to learn about digital downloads. I want to learn about how to do a YouTube channel, and they will go to your playlist, just like music. your video playlist and be able to binge watch all your videos, and the views will help your channel to grow. And I think for every YouTuber, it is for me, my goal is to get monetized. Okay, so done. So I'm going to document my journey, and next. And I don't do the cards or subtitles because the Loom will do the chapters. Okay, and you can actually schedule it right here, but I'm going to go ahead and publish it. And then this is really, really good. I found that this really helps my videos rank is when I share them across several platforms. So what I do is I do Pinterest, and sometimes if this is not a picture, it won't save. And again, I need a new board for this. A board is like, again, it's like in a library. It's like a section people can come to and know what your video is about. So I'm going to put, I'm going to just put how to grow your YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to create that. I'm going to save that. So that gives me a link to Pinterest, and then LinkedIn. I'm going to share it to LinkedIn. And And when I say follow along, that's what's called a call to action. You want to give people a call to action to do a thing. Okay. And then going back to the free blogger, and I do this even though I don't think anybody ever sees these free blogger posts, but I do it hoping for a backlink. And that's why I do it. And then on Facebook, I have a group that I started a long time ago. I don't put it on my personal page, but I have a group right here that I'm going to share it. I have to switch from my private profile to my group page, and I am simply going to post a link there. My phone going off there. And then so I have a link from Facebook, and then the last one I do, because I don't sign into Reddit, is I just post it to Twitter. Boom. Okay, so there you go. Did you notice the video processing completion time on the previous screen? And I'm not sure because I'm busy recording. So I don't know if I did or not. So right here is where you could see your live videos if you do a live video. Short videos, you know, they're like 5 seconds or less, I believe. And then post is a new thing. It's almost like blogging that people are doing. And then the videos like I just did right here. Boom. I have one view. And it's premiering, meaning it's showing right now. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope that helps. God bless you. Talk to you soon.